host.
Dah.
Udah itu udah record.
Terus kayak gini nanti kesimpannya di mana? Convertnya itu gimana?
Enggak, nanti pas video lo end itu udah otomatis udah ke convert. Kalau memang lo nggak ketemu, lo buka berkas Zoom lo, habis itu nanti ada namanya. Nanti gua VC deh.
Ya, oke.
Kasih ya guys.
Extensive reading 5F, 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 extensive reading 5F. Please bisa ya Allah.
Ayo nih, siapa yang mau presentasi? Kalau enggak aku nih mau. Hehe.
Nih, kalau enggak aku juga nih.
Hey,
Aku yang mau masuk.
Emang siapa hostnya? Emang aku ya hostnya? Bukan kan?
ya udah lo post dulu aja kan bisa.
Kan
Ini kita
hostnya.
Iya tah?
ngomong-ngomong kayak gini.
Iya.
Oh,
Nah, ini yang siapa?
Lo tuh udah
iya tah?
ya udah sih siapa aja lah yang mau maju yang benar-benar
Ayo ya.
Buka WA dong.
aba-aba doang apa
Masih mau.
Mau maju. Bunga tolong screen share.
Udah bisa masuk belum? Gimana caranya?
Masing-masing orang.
Oke.
Ini kayak mana? Oh, ini. Sudah. Tahu nggak? Tapi lagi di record ya. Aku mau ngomong sesuatu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Film with the song Rapunzel. In ancient times, there lived a married couple who really want a daughter. After some time, the wife finally became pregnant. One day, from the front of the window, the wife looked at the neighbor's beautiful salada plantation and always imagined eating salada every day. She didn't want to eat any food, even though her husband fed her. Next. Until one day, promised a bunch of salada for his wife. He was determined to get salad wife at the neighbor house, which no one dared to take because the owner of the house was a witch. Next. Boom. Next. With the courage, the husband climbed the high wall just to take the neighbor salada, and he managed to bring it to his wife. The wife was very happy and eager to eat the salada. But unfortunately, the wife was still not satisfied eating the lettuce, and the next day the husband went again to the witch lettuce garden just for the sake of his beloved wife. But he was very unlucky and got caught by the magician. Next, when the husband meets the witch is angry and the husband is not apologize unless the husband wants to fulfill the condition give to him. The husband, who was afraid, immediately agreed to the terms. The agreement they made was that the husband could take as much salada as he wanted, but on condition that when the child born will take the baby, and after a few months, the wife gave birth. Then the witch came to the couple house to take the baby according to the agreement they had agreed. They could only surrender because of fear of the witch. Then, with great pleasure, the witch named the baby Rapunzel. Next. Next, Bung.
Ini siapa yang presentasi ya?
Bunga.
Masuk bagian akademik.
The witch took care of Rapunzel until she became an adult. When she was 16 years old, Rapunzel became a very beautiful girl. As a baby to adulthood, the witch never cut the girl blonde hair to very long. Rapunzel is placed in a very high tower, and there are no stairs to get there, and there is only one window. When he wanted to visit Rapunzel, the witch just shouted and called out his name. Then the witch went up to the top of the tower using Rapunzel's golden hair. This went on for years. One day there was a prince who was hunting in the forest and heard a very sweet singing voice, and then approached the voice. When he arrived at the tower, he did not see a single ladder when he wanted to look up the tower. Next. Out of curiosity about the owner of the sweet voice, the prince visited the tower every day but never broke the way to climb the high tower. One night, the prince saw a witch near the tower and noticed what the witch was doing. From there, the prince learned how to climb the high tower. Then the next day, the prince changed his voice to resemble a witch voice and said the same as the witch. And finally, the prince managed to climb the high tower. Next. Because it was the first time he saw someone other than his mother, Rapunzel was afraid. Until several times, the prince met Rapunzel up to the tower. Then with his courage, the prince proposed to Rapunzel, and because he was very happy, Rapunzel accepted the prince's proposal. Then Rapunzel was confused, thinking about a way to get down from the very high tower got an idea and asked the prince every time he visited to bring a piece of cloth that was used to go down. But before all the cloth was collected, Rapunzel made a very fatal mistake to the witch and said, "Next." My
Yes.
My mother was proposed by a prince, a witch who was very annoyed because someone other than him met Rapunzel. Finally, Rapunzel's beautiful golden hair was cut by the witch and threw Rapunzel into a very far desert, and no one was there. With a very evil plan, the witch lured the prince to come and lost Rapunzel's golden hair. But the prince was very surprised because he didn't meet Rapunzel but a witch. Then the witch dropped the prince from the top of the tower down. Next. Because the prince fell in the thicket of trees, he did not die but just blind his eyes. With great sadness, the prince didn't know what to do in order to meet Rapunzel. He continued to walk according to what his heart said until one day he came to a desert. During the trip, the prince saw the name Rapunzel. Rapunzel, who from a distance heard someone calling his name, approached the voice and turned out to be the prince. Next. Finally, they were able to meet again, but Rapunzel was very sad to see the prince's eyes were blind. Due to continuous crying, Rapunzel tears dried in the prince's eyes. With the miracle that finally the prince's eyes could see again. Rapunzel was very happy, and the prince also felt the same way because he was able to meet Rapunzel. Then the prince brought Rapunzel to his kingdom, and they both lived happily ever after. Okay, any question?
No question.
No question.
Okay,
Next.
if you have no question, you
Entar. No.
I think no.
Thank you, Vira.
Oke, udah.
thank you.
Gimana ini?
Aku dong.
Evi.
Fitra dong.
Jadi
Aduh,
ubah hostnya ya? Ubah hostnya ke Fitra ya?
Tadi share screen siapa?
Udah 5:30, belum mandi.
Kasla sini mana host? Udah dijadiin host belum?
Belum. Tunggu.
Kalau Fitra yang jadi host, dari record siapa?
Iya.
Nah, iya. Oh, ini tuh yang record harus hostnya ya?
Iya. Fitra langsung share screen aja bisa kok.
Nih.
Ya bisa ya?
Bisa.
Ya.
Oh, bisa. Oh iya ya, bisa ya.
Tapi tuh bedanya kalau share screen sendiri tuh nggak kelihatan gitu loh orangnya.
Salah.
Emang iya.
Bos.
Habis
Tapi
ini
aku
apa?
share screen sendiri
Habis
waktu
ini
itu
berhenti lanjut
kelihatan.
habis maghrib apa gimana?
Aku sih mau.
Saya juga mau sih.
Aku juga mau sih.
Semuanya mau dong.
Iya.
Soalnya baru ngebuat PPT.
Semuanya mau dun.
Mau ya, ayo.
Yep. Mencet apa nih?
Aku lah.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. wabarakatuh.
Okay. Today I will explain about the lyric of a song from a band. Origin from Jakarta is Dewi Gaskins, and the title is "You and I Going South." This song is released in 2013. This song has such enough meaning after I listened to it. You and I going south. How come rich doesn't mean anything, huh? Well, going south itself is an English analogy which literally means to fail. The south is located below the compass or map. So you and I going south tells of a relationship that is heading toward fail, aka the relationship will run aground. Ground. And also on the cover of the song, there was a pair who were integrated love in the middle of the train rails. And there were a train that was progressing them. They have two choices between advanced integrated love with the risk of between rail or about their activities and they are correlated. This is the same like them in a difficult relationship. Then they have two choices. Next is okay. Then at the first and this is the first lyric. This is the second. Explain about time to decide a relationship, which sometimes is a heavy thing in a relationship. And after thinking again, is the relationship is wrong since the beginning. And the dearth, you can see this lyric. And then the fourth. Okay. This lyric is talking about when we sometime really on the opinion of friends in deciding something. If they don't know ourselves how. In this section, a story if don't really only friends use sense and logic to know was have to end. If it was have to end, remember again when it was beginning. Listen to your heart again. Aduh. The next bit explain if whatever has happened and will happen, let it happen. The important thing is to do your best and let the hurt be censored. Censored or what? Okay, in this section explain. Give me another chance. Oh no. Sorry. Okay. Let's carry on. Driving home will never be the same. Don't you feel? Oh, okay. This section explain is before I want to compose a song, right? There's one to remember, and while driving home feels different if no one accompanies you. Dutch. Oh, I forgot about this. And this section is explained about don't let your situation menjadikanmu frustasi. Pikirkanlah pelan-pelan apa ya keputusan yang akan kamu ambil untuk ini ke depannya, untuk kebaikan hubungan ke depannya. Gini.
To make better choice ahead.
In this is a ref section and explain. Give me another chance to correct mistake. Hold this hand tight, and I'll take you wherever you want. Artinya si cowok akan akan memperbaiki segala kesalahannya di masa lalu kalau udah diberi kesempatan. And this bit is explained. The guy will move on from the girl without menjauhi si ceweknya itu. Yes. Oh, udah ding. Satu lagi. I will never be the same. Can be always realized in a good and bad. Oh, I forgot to explain this bit. Yeah, this section is explain that everything will change if we're not together anymore, and the guy is promises that he will be a guy who can always be relied on in good and bad conditions, happy and gloomy until he died. Okay, and the last part of this song explain, if we can go anywhere you want, I can be whoever you want, even him. I can be anything you want. But if it's happy getting, jika itu semakin hari semakin udah kelewat susah gitu, maksudnya buat mempertahankan hubungan itu, ya udah biarin si cowok ini menjalani kehidupannya gitu. Oke, terima kasih, itu saja sepertinya dari saya. Mungkin ada pertanyaan?
No question.
Yuk, no, oke.
Udah.
Yuk, aduh gimana ini?
Boleh satu lagi nggak? Kamu mau lanjut abis nggak?
Ya apa habis maghrib?
Mau nggak tapi kalau abis maghrib?
Mandi dulu sih.
Waduh, nggak bisa.
Iya. Jadi abis maghrib lanjut.
Ini recordnya
gitu,
gimana? Berhentiin ya. Stop recording ini ya. Iya. Nah, ini berhentiin recordnya gimana? Stop recording ini kan.
Nggak bagus Pak dadakan ya.